odishabi.ed. Human resources students, teachers, parents, community, and local resource persons, their interrelationship. Introduction. Human resources in the education system refer to all individuals who directly or indirectly contribute to the teaching learning process. These include students, teachers, parents, community members, and local resource persons. The interrelationship among them forms the foundation of a vibrant and inclusive school ecosystem. The effective collaboration and participation of these human stakeholders ensure the holistic development of the child, smooth functioning of the school, and community empowerment. Each plays a unique role, and their mutual coordination fosters a learning environment that is democratic, participatory, and socially responsive. 1. Students, the core of the system. Students are the central focus of all educational activities. Their development in cognitive, emotional, social, and moral dimensions is the ultimate goal. They are active learners, not passive recipients. Their feedback, participation, and needs help shape curriculum and teaching methods. Their interests and learning styles influence classroom pedagogy. Student-led clubs, projects, and peer learning enrich the school culture. 2. Teachers, facilitators, and mentors. Teachers are the key agents of knowledge construction and value transmission. They play multiple roles: facilitators, mentors, evaluators, counselors, and guides. Teachers plan and implement the curriculum and use suitable pedagogical tools to meet diverse learner needs. They build trust with students, promoting confidence and self-worth. They also act as linking agents between the school and the community. Teachers must continuously upgrade their knowledge and skills through professional development. 3. Parents, first educators and partners. Parents are the first teachers of the child. Their involvement in education reinforces learning at home and creates a positive learning environment. They provide emotional, social, and sometimes financial support to the child's education. Active parental involvement in parent-teacher meetings, PTMs, and school management committees, SMCs, improves accountability. Parents help monitor attendance, discipline, and performance. A collaborative relationship between teachers and parents helps address learning difficulties, behavioral issues, or special needs early. 4. Community, a learning resource and support system. The community refers to all members of society living around the school, including neighbors, local leaders, retired professionals, artisans, and institutions. It provides a rich social, cultural, and occupational context for real-life learning. Communities contribute through volunteering, donations, school events, and campaigns. Local culture, practices, and values, when integrated into the curriculum, make learning contextual and meaningful. Schools can use community help in areas like safety, environment conservation, cleanliness, etc. 5. Local resource persons, enablers of contextual learning. Local resource persons are individuals from the community who possess specific skills, knowledge, or experience, like farmers, weavers, artists, health workers, retired teachers, or scientists. They help in hands-on learning by offering demonstrations, storytelling, or field-based teaching. Their presence bridges the gap between classroom knowledge and real-life application. They also promote vocational education and life skills. They strengthen the idea of the school as a community learning center. 6. Interrelationship and collaboration. The strength of the education system lies in how these human resources interact, collaborate, and support each other. Their roles are interdependent. Stakeholder. Interrelationship. Students, teachers. Teachers guide students, students' feedback improves teaching. Teachers are parents. Teachers inform parents of child's progress, parents support learning at home. Teachers' community. Teachers involve community in school programs and seek local support. Students' community. Community helps in experiential learning. Students learn to appreciate local culture. Parents' community. Together, they contribute to school governance and awareness programs. Teachers, local experts. Experts enhance classroom learning through practical input. This synergy builds a participative school culture, improves decision making, ensures student retention, and promotes holistic development. 7. Importance of collaborative human resource management. Ensures inclusivity by addressing social, gender, and economic disparities. Enhances student learning outcomes through coordinated efforts. Encourages community ownership of education. Promotes sustainability by utilizing local expertise and knowledge. Facilitates the holistic development of children, intellectual, social, and emotional. Conclusion. Human resources like students, teachers, parents, community, and local experts form an interconnected web of support around the school system. Their collective participation, mutual respect, and shared responsibilities lead to a dynamic and inclusive educational environment. When these stakeholders collaborate effectively, schools become centers of learning, growth, innovation, and community development. Therefore, fostering strong interrelationships among them is vital for achieving the goals of universal and quality education in India.